Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the human mind. Get ready to be amazed by these mind-blowing facts. You know, we humans like to think we've got it all figured out. We build skyscrapers, send rockets into space, and even invent things like the internet, which is basically magic, right? But there's one frontier that remains as mysterious as the furthest reaches of the cosmos, the human brain. This 3-pound blob of matter inside our skulls is the most complex structure in the known universe. It's capable of thoughts, emotions, dreams, and creating symphonies, solving complex equations, and even recognizing itself in the mirror. So, are you ready for a cosmic journey into the mind-blowing world of your own brain? Let's go. We all know the brain is powerful, but did you know it's a literal powerhouse? That's right, folks, this isn't science fiction. Your brain, at this very moment, is generating about 23 watts of power. That's enough to light up a standard incandescent light bulb. Imagine that, walking around with a light bulb glowing above your head, powered just by your thoughts. Now you might be thinking, if my brain is using that much energy, it must be working overtime. Well, you're not wrong. Even when you're sleeping, your brain is buzzing with activity, consolidating memories, dreaming up fantastical scenarios, and basically running the show behind the scenes. It's like a 24/7 power plant up there, constantly generating the energy needed to keep you, well, you. And where does all that energy come from? Well, it mainly comes from the food you eat, which gets broken down into glucose, the brain's primary fuel source. So the next time you reach for a snack, remember you're not just feeding your stomach, you're fueling the most complex and amazing organ in your body. We've all been there, cramming for a test, trying to stuff our brains with as much information as possible. But what if I told you that your brain's storage capacity makes even the most powerful computer look like a floppy disk? You see, unlike our phones and laptops, which have a finite amount of storage space, your brain's capacity for storing information is virtually unlimited. Scientists estimate that the human brain has the potential to store around 2.5 petabytes of information. Now, if you're anything like me, you might be wondering, what in the cosmic world is a petabyte? Well, let me put it this way. 1 petabyte is equivalent to about 2,000 years worth of non-stop music playback. That means your brain has the potential to store every song ever written, every book ever published, and every movie ever made, with room to spare. It's a truly mind-boggling amount of information, and the craziest part is we're only just beginning to understand the true extent of its capabilities. Chapter 3. The night owl brain. You might consider yourself a morning person or a night owl, but did you know that, biologically speaking, your brain is more active at night? It's true. While you're catching those Z's, your brain is hard at work, consolidating memories, replaying experiences, and making connections you might not even be aware of. It's like your brain's own personal overnight work session. Now, you might be wondering, if my brain is so busy at night, why do I need to sleep at all? Well, sleep is crucial for the brain to function properly. It's during sleep that your brain gets a chance to clear out toxins, repair cells, and recharge for the day ahead. Think of it like hitting the reset button on your brain, allowing it to wake up refreshed and ready to tackle new challenges. So the next time you're feeling guilty about burning the midnight oil, remember, your brain might be secretly thanking you for the extra work time. Chapter 4. Information Superhighway. Have you ever wondered how you can react to things so quickly? How in a split second you can catch a falling object, swerve to avoid an obstacle, or even finish your best friend's sentence? Well, it's all thanks to the incredible speed at which information travels through your nervous system. A whopping 260 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One race car. Imagine this. You touch a hot stove. Instantly, nerve endings in your finger send a signal like a lightning bolt up your arm to your spinal cord, and finally, to your brain. Your brain in turn processes this information and sends a signal back down, telling your muscles to move your hand away from the source of the heat. This entire process from touch to reaction happens in a fraction of a second. It's this incredible speed that allows us to interact with the world around us in real time, to make split-second decisions, and to experience the world with a sense of immediacy and wonder. It's like having a superhighway of information flowing through our bodies, constantly connecting us to our surroundings. Chapter 5. The brain's irony, feeling no pain. We think of pain as something we feel throughout our bodies, but here's a fascinating twist. The brain itself, the organ responsible for processing pain signals, cannot actually feel pain. That's right, the brain, the command center for all our senses, is ironically insensitive to pain itself. It's like a chef who can't taste their own cooking. Now, you might be wondering, if the brain can't feel pain, why do we get headaches? Well, headaches are actually caused by pain receptors in the tissues surrounding the brain, like the meninges, blood vessels, and muscles. These tissues send pain signals to the brain, which then interprets them as the throbbing, aching sensation we know as a headache. So, while the brain itself might not feel pain directly, it plays a crucial role in how we perceive and experience pain from other parts of the body. It's a fascinating paradox that highlights the complexity and mystery of this incredible organ. Outrow, keep those minds blown. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these incredible facts about the human mind, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. The human brain is truly one of the most fascinating and mysterious wonders of the universe. Every new discovery only deepens our sense of awe and wonder at its capabilities. So keep those minds open, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the incredible world inside your own head. And remember, as we continue to unravel the secrets of the human mind, we're not just learning about ourselves. We're unlocking the potential for a brighter future, a future where we can harness the full power of the human brain to solve our greatest challenges and create a better world for all.